Welcome to day 33 of Strongest 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 32, please go back and watch them. We talked about so much already. Now, today on day 33, we're talking about actually increasing the limits on your credit cards. And this is going to help you because you don't necessarily have to get new credit to actually help with your utilization. So this can be a little quick I want to call it a hack or a trick, because we should be asking for an increase every single month. If I can be honest with y'all, every single month ask for an increase. But if y'all ask for an increase on your credit cards, it's going to help with your overall utilization. So remember I told y'all, for example, you got $1,000 credit card. If we want to be at the 10%, you need to make sure that you don't have more than $100 reported, because that $100 is the 10% mark. Well, now if they increase that to $2,000, now the new thing is you can't have more than $200 reporting. Okay, so now this is going to help with your overall credit score. And imagine if you still stick to that $100. So you say, oh, you know what, I was already making sure it's not more than $100 when it's at $1,000. I'm gonna do the same thing since it's at $2,000. I'm not gonna just say, I forgot what they call it, lifestyle creep. That's what it's called. You're not gonna let the credit card creep on you. Basically, you don't want to do the credit card creep. So you are still applying by the rules as if it's still $1,000 credit card. But guess what? Now your utilization is gonna be at 5%. Now instead of 10%, you at 5%, and it's gonna automatically help with your utilization. So all of your credit cards, y'all literally should be asking for an increase. You should not get a hard inquiry to ask for an increase. So this is going to be great. Now, if you don't have credit cards, don't trip. In a few days, we're going to be talking about getting more credit, because I want you guys to have 4 credit cards and 2 installment accounts. Okay. So we're going to talk about this in a few days, but ask for an increase every single month. So you should have you should have all of your credit cards already like organized in a list. You can know what's all your credit cards. Literally, you know how I told y'all every single month, check y'all credit, right? Every single month, y'all check y'all credit. This can be a great time just to ask for an increase. You're already in there looking. Might as well ask for an increase. And if they give it to you, they do. If they don't, okay, that's, it's not going to hurt you either way. If they give it to you, perfect. If they don't, then all right, I'll ask again next month. Have that mindset, because if they just give you an increase twice a year, that's better than some people never asking, or some people that ask once a year. If they give it to you twice a year, that's perfect. And I always talk about my Lowe's card. I asked for an increase, y'all. I asked for 3 or 4 of them in one day, and they was giving it to me. I'm like, hold on, you gave me that quick, let me ask again. And then they gave it to me. I asked again, they gave it to me again. I'm like, oh my gosh, in the same day. Okay, so y'all definitely need to make sure that y'all continuously ask for increases, and this is going to help you all out so much in terms of your utilization. Plus, it's like having a new credit card. Like if you went from $1,000 to $2,000, like having a new $1,000 credit card, and you didn't have to do anything but ask for an increase. Okay, so make sure you guys have your 3-book bundle. This is going to be very, very important. Make sure you guys have your 3-book bundle, and if you haven't already, please make sure you guys look into the 6 months of letters if you have not done your disputes yet. But y'all should be watching right now, because we already did disputes. Y'all shouldn't be watching right now. Y'all should make sure y'all disputes out. I'll see you guys in the next video.